Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is July 29th, coming up to the end of the month here on Friday. But we do have things down again this morning. Corn down about 5 cents overnight. Beans down 1 to 2 cents. Wheat down about 4 to 5. So we're seeing this sense of macro selling again. Funds are still long an estimated 225,000 contracts for corn. A lot. They did increase that a little bit yesterday with maybe trying to find some support, but here we are coming to the end of the month. Can we see a little bit more pressure? Obviously, if you look out, we've gone through pollination in a lot of areas through some pretty good weather. Weather models, though, have become slightly warmer overnight, but we'll see if they keep that in the forecast. You do have some rains that have stretched across the Corn Belt over the last few days. But the weather right now still probably going to be looked at as bearish. No major rain events that are going to be dropping these huge totals that we had seen before. But right now, it's more of this macro sense of what's going on out there. How are we looking? And can we continue to see some selling pressure going to the end of the month? We may end up seeing corn try to gravitate a little bit lower. Beans, same thing there. But as we get into next month, there's going to be a primary focus on beans. We've got good excellent ratings sitting at 62% right now for beans, which is still below the 5-year average. Will we see some concern if we see some warmer temperatures? And we'll have to see how that all works out as we get into next month. But watch some of the outside markets today. Stock market, though, is up about 22 points right now. We saw a strong day yesterday. Got a little bit more of a recovery here this morning. Crude oil, though, down about 30 cents, giving back some of the gains it had. And we've got the dollar that has been shifting back and forth of unchanged. So we'll see if we get any influence from some of these markets as we go through the day today. Livestock, cattle unchanged. We had box beef. Looked pretty good yesterday at midday. We finished the day, though, choice down 12, select down just a penny. So we'll see not a lot of change out of that. Bids, we're hearing 154 out of Kansas. But lots of cattle going to the market, running about $3 to $4 lower as far as addressed basis. We'll see what kind of influence we have as we get closer to the end of the week. Hogs, though, on the other side here, we're up 50 cents. Strong day yesterday, another strong day today. Cutout values up $1.35 yesterday. We are finding some pretty good strength there. We've got some good resistance right above us. So can we see us hold the strength as we get closer to the end of the week? That'll be the big question. But as of right now, starting off a little stronger. As I mentioned, stock market up a little right now. Crude oil down about 30. The dollar back and forth of unchanged. Janet Yellen and the Fed will be releasing some minutes later on this afternoon. They're not expecting any kind of a rate change yet, but guys are going to be waiting to see if there's any news on when we can. So still expecting potentially a change here for September. But as of right now, they're not expecting anything here today. So we'll see what's said here a little later on this afternoon. But give us a call if you have any questions, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at Allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.